in the shop and you're wrong with me. You think we argue with him?
No.
Then you would be
a dirty, broke down somebody.
Oh, you think me argue with him?
You can't argue with him.
Can you face him?
But the spirit.
And that one I went to.
Me not face with her?
No.
Can you say good what she do for me?
You
pass over no man when she
What's
get.
up?
You know, say
Right
what?
now, me send you around here and tell you, say, V say, anything at all in our shop. Even Chinese. Some Chinese move from downtown from across here, this so.
Over the sun.
If me send you down there and say, Pookie say.
Where they gone? Where they gone?
You don't really don't know it, but in good in the story.
I'm nasty, tell him
Right now,
I'm nasty.
you don't know nasty.
You ever go in the back part?
Listen. Remember say I saw him take your place.
Fix it up, man.
At the time, it's not enough him it.
Oh.
Where do you take up your money spent?
Where do you take from?
Enough him just want to see you wanna come for a lick that the lick down. You will like the lick down.
No, honestly, we take
The first old man when did it.
Lindsay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So Lindsay, in China when did it first before them.
Before that time,
And them a come back. I lick them they lick down when we Right now you know how much we owe them? $5,000. Which Chinese in Jamaica you can owe money?
True.
Eh? Which not even $5 you can owe them. If your money short of $1 then you take back the goods.
Yeah.
Well me who that the Chinese anything me want, anybody me send it. Remember me tell you that. And China no like nyam from black people for purpose. They will nyam a party shop.
Yeah, man. On the fast food.
Yes.
You know, this man for knocking down though.
Them in the
Open it up.
Desmond Mackenzie
the cool man we sell out the side tell me say that the man they nasty.
Okay,
Yes,
man, from Kingston.
Yeah. I am Desmond Mackenzie, yeah.
So when you get
And people call him.
Desmond is the minister
of health.
yeah. No, not that. King of Parish Council.
Yeah.
And everything part on a Parish Council.
I him. So hold on. So we from him to come here and the grill for Kingston.
No,
man.
And the same Chinese man for place I am
And improve the circle the whole island. The circle the whole island to
But
anywhere.
I'm here for Kingston. Yes, so what? I'm here.
No, man, I'm here.
And I'm here again.
No, he's not the mayor. He's the minister. But anywhere I'm going, anything.
coconut no for you. Coconut good for you. Olive oil.
You say you're going
good fun.
Cool. Clean out your system.
anywhere I'm going, anything, man.
So what good for my blood circulation?
Parish Council is saying, you knock it down. I had it.
Blood circulation.
Cersei,
Can't drink Cersei with tamarind.
Turmeric, yeah, man.
turmeric.
Turmeric.
That's a good.
Hey.
You can't change up the name themselves.
Look here, no. Hello. Look here.
Swap it with the
No,
coconut.
I just did for the English people then.
Randy. We are Jamaican. We chat through.
Hey, I have a translate.
Well, translate it.
What?
Yeah,
This is
You
it.
know, can you see clean up system like flush you out?
Me.
Me.
Pookie, if I want my stomach for flat.
Bathroom more leave.
Yeah, man. Flush out.
Alright, me don't show you one sitting one milk of magnesia. My daughter care from America. I don't know why not.
V.
Me don't show you it.
Okay.
When you come back on that,
Okay.
see coconut.
Okay.
Talk to me.
So watch out.
So,
And let's tell me what. Listen me now. Listen me. Don't tell me why not. Listen what I said to you. Don't tell me why not. How why I'm not drinking.
No, me tell you that they said no, my daughter care from me.
Good.
Me belly when beginner. And I 2 times me drinking.
Alright. Me need some.
When me like go on my bed, me drinking.
Bring one little bit history. See? I want to come a little bit.
Look here, it cut out the cold inside of
I
you.
want something like that.
Don't you want careful.
Don't tell me why nothing fine. Tell me why I'm not drinking.
What make you not want nothing, boy?
Me not buy more medicine not drinking.
Why?
Me can't drink. Me can't drink it. You buy it give me will drink it.
Listen, blend this
If I buy it, me
Cersei.
not.
Blend this Cersei. Blend this Cersei.
When you blend your car, man.
Why you good for susumba seed and leaf?
So some good for cold. So some
Some
can
cold
eat.
bush.
And sorry, what's sorry good for?
Sorry good for your
Speed
blood.
it up, what the trumpet leaf good for?
The trumpet leaf now they say good for pressure.
Pressure, you're good, you know. I testing you.
One butter
Jackfruit seed soup. Jackfruit seed soup on it.
Jackfruit seed can't mix soup.
She good, you know, man. Taste it, you know. Donkey weed, chicken weed. You mix how much 5 cans you mix with the cancer? 5 of them. Donkey, chicken weed. What's the third one? Damn good. You see, you're not feeling good. You failed the test.
You know what? Too soft, eh?
No, don't make it too soft.
All right.
You must say though, just straight. Take your hand, make it soak a little bit and strain it.
Another question. Would you blend
Gone on a paltan.
the skin with the aloe? With the skin from the aloe good for?
Yeah.
Ah, she
We don't know what else that's on
The yellow part, I don't know too much about
Coach.
it either. You have to go get
Coach.
one herbal man. You
All
can't
right,
get one
all right.
herbal man.
You have a herbal man?
Yeah, you can't get everything.
Him there around yourself?
We can't go check him.
Have him phone number.
Because we have a carrot.
So no castor oil, what good for?
Castor oil good for your hair. And then, so
Yes,
they have the
yes.
drinking one and they have the. Let me see that.
And what is sweet soursop good for?
So it's good for your nerves.
Nerves, ain't it?
That soursop right there, so soup
Yeah,
and
man,
chicken.
good for your nerves.
What's the number one thing it good for?
Nerves.
Nerves.
Cancer.
And cancer.
So they
That right there, sir,
What do cancer?
are the biggest cancer agent in Jamaica.
So they say.
Cancer, soursop, mixed with the raw honey. I eat what people in America want. That. But you must plant this in abundance.
Me have one in my yard.
You have one in your yard?
What about 5
I have a friend who have cancer, we're going to bring her down.
Stop there.
So we're going to start kind of cleanse her.
When they stop there, I don't want to stop there quick.
What do you say? What we do? Come in my saying
Put on the back and see coconut bread today. It's chicken at all.
See, Pata say you know can go cook it.
Juicy coconut. We there go away cook. Yeah, cook.
See,
Oh.
me and the pasta you have to do something. Get up.
I am the same, I am same like a juice
I'm
coconut.
here. No, I chicken one in motor.
That's one. No, I am about to
What's the next one already?
I'm not sure.
What's the one already?
This is what you call dirty people.
Right now, keep up on the something, man. Right now, doing rice.
After I'm drinking rum and smoking weed.
Paltan, juicy rice. Let me see your fingernail them.
Yeah, man. See, if you need them clip out.
Dirty.
I clean, man. Like the next chef yesterday. The next man yesterday. Say hand, he feel him finger dirty. You know I make dumpling. And when the food ready, I ain't want much out of it.
And that
So
finger
me
my
say the finger not clean. You don't get done. You don't
What I do with the smoking? If not, it's going to continue smoking, cause out your caca plant.
We have something you can spray there, man.
No, man, what I do with the smoking?
Everybody.
Everybody.
That's a fun brand of that song.
You want to do something with that, man?
Juicy, listen, juicy coconut milk put in a pot.
How many of us strainer? Where's strainer there?
You see pepper, you throw one green pepper in a pot with some skin and not time.
We don't have time.
So, no bad. So you know no straight, see straight now.
I'm blind now.
I'm tired, man.
No, Nick, him expensive, you know. Nick got Germany and ton high price.
That's so much peas in the cook.
No, I put some in the fridge. We put some in the fridge.
Take out 5 things now, too much.
Nick got Germany and become expensive and dear. Where is the plate? Where is the fork? Wait, the man come to my bedroom, round it. You want me say, just Nick, just deal with it. That's what happening now. He go fly in a plane and lose his head. Hey, I some rum and jelly coconut if you have enough. See how quick you get your whistler. Jamaica Good Life you are living up. Hey, you know, nice like this foreign, you know, make you know. Just go there for the money and then leave out. So your grandmother was how old when she passed on? And she
85.
And she grow you?
Bro, I sleep with her.
Yeah?
Family did some more. She sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So even time I don't know. She live off distance.
So you grew up a nice life?
No, all the time we grew up on.
What?
Mattress. Bunk bed.
Would you say your life was painful or happy?
Well, we have to live within a country band, don't see.
They make
So
it tough.
We don't know the outcome, and we if it come up now and try make it better.
Yeah.
I said, go me go see my mother and my father, me nah live so. Cause them waste most of their time. You understand? Cause them they come from down in the ancient days, slavery days. So they use them for them slavery days and grow them picnic. So I let them know this and run everyone again. Big old them there.
And run at it?
Run everyone.
Why?
I don't want to kill him.
So when you build up big sometimes and get red eye. So it's like foreigners is best to come and simplify yourself.
Yes, better than come see. Jamaican nice.
Simplify though.
Yes.
So the advice I have to give them, which a lot of them don't want to come back, but because Jamaica so nice, I want them to come back.
Yeah,
like
anywhere you live, the
be
area you
coming
live
back.
in there.
So that's why my big friend don't know.
You come, you look at family, you're not friend with, you look at family. We are all family. Same blood, not no some black, some white. Same people there.
But if you come and act like you're better than everybody, you will
Right.
end up in a problem.
Right. What kind of problem? You don't mix up with people. You don't tell nobody. You put on your one pot, see the rice and peas and chicken you cook. You want to call the neighbor and give him little, if you will take you, give him.
You share, you have to share in Jamaica.
Thank you.
Some of them come when they want to share and mix up, they're going to get shot.
They like JB, they like ganja. So when you go up on the street, you go around the bar, you buy a drink, you see a one man sit down there like he wants to drink. If you can afford, you have a man, I will take it. That the man they go watch your head back.
Yes.
Nobody can come proper when I hits man. You understand? So nobody can come around here. Everywhere you say, Dads, bossy, what go on there?
Yeah. Like, and people say, even though people say they're not going to mess with him.
Right. Yeah.
Everybody you pass, you have to say hello to.
Jerky. What go on, Soupy? Good soup on this way.
Soup man?
Yes. We don't want to make some soup for you, know, some of your old tight, this one when the neck clean up. Watch out. This one when the cooking soup and the drinking man.
When the cooking soup, they bring some forward some now, when you finish it.
This one when you put in new to sell soup. You put in coasting in a soap from overnight. And when you clean it, white like salt.
Yeah, man, rain, man. I told you that, girl.
Remember me tell you, I saw food look bad. Proper look bad.
Come and buy last time I go on there.
Watch out.
I'm super clean too.
Yeah, man.
Don't tell me to run.
Yes, man.
That food is hungry now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm going to start that come back.
So where run go?
Yeah.
For the bicycle?
No, very much for that one.
How are you doing there? Sick? So are you sick?
No, sir, we're not rushing me.
In a bad place?
Just there's some family around.
Oh, so you're playing on Sunday busy?
Yeah, man.
You actually look at hooks tonight.
You know, like coconut.
Alright. Yeah.
Some of that area.
Pookie, I'm talk to you.
They don't need to be
Hold 1 second, hold on. Pookie, come here, man. I make them distract you, man.
They don't need to use cookie rice.
Finish talking to the man, man.
Where's the now, bossy? Eh? No, man. More piece first.
Alright.
But you know, it only take time because Babylon system give a fight.
Yeah, man, we check the man.
If not Babylon, we call a long time.
General, let's go on.
Respect. Give
We
thanks.
don't want you to make some soup for me next week Sunday, cooking. We don't buy coasting. We go for one river trip. May I carry you with me? Yes. I don't be one around cook. God, what do we get to mix some? I mean something not real. Not real me, you know, some black and shine.
On a mix up, you know. On a mix up, you know. Wait there. I caught that you squeezing a frying pan. I went it.
Sure, we did just
I went it rat. A frying pan, man.
What happened?
You know, if you put it on bigger things so you can really push it and squeeze it and push it and squeeze it.
Next one.
Lord, boy.
Oi, Randy, nothing bigger than that.
Eh?
Nothing bigger than that.
Nothing bigger than there.
Bigger than that.
Put in a one pot, man.
That we have so far.
Lord, boy. A Jamaica Good Life, you know. Nothing there.
Not there. I'm not bad with.
On a sample, you know. On a mix up.
Yeah, blend
That with Jamaican people, you know. You turn around and make fashion.
No bother way.
Nah, man.
Them no bother way. Now who sing that one there? No, him name, them no bother way. I who sing what? You know the tune. Him name.
Yeah, fast profit, man.
Him name, them no bother way.
Yeah, fast profit.
You see him there? See him there?
You get dry coconut back home?
Yeah, man. Everything we're down here up there. It might not taste the same.
You dry coconut?
Yeah, man. America have everything that you have down here. Except the bush and the herbs. Even coconut is after retire that like this. And sugar taste good.
So me here.
Not really, I feel get your license and food truck is a big deal now. Food truck costs about 50,000 US. If you get a food truck, man, you know you can't come back here because your house are so big. Them are go yeah, man. You see the food that you cook. You open a restaurant in America, man. And don't rule out Africa, I'm going to go Botswana. I'm going to buy some land, so get your papers. When that film I take off and we start make money now, we just ship on out to Botswana. And you can cook for them. You see me? See, season 1.
Alright, coconut milk is done in the peas.
Una boil the egg. Una scald the egg?
Boil it.
You have to boil it.
A scald, una scald it?
Boil it.
Boil egg.
Yes, boil it.
What I boil it for?
We use.
How not going to use it? Not the vegetable?
And then
pasta.
I want to make pasta too like so on a rasta.
Rice and peas and chicken and pasta, man. Remember we call it that, auntie? Is it auntie that? Now what your name? The name Auntie V.
We don't want no gravy. You don't have no gravy, right?
I don't know.
Hey, we have to make it gravy, man. Onion and thing. You never buy the onion, right?
I have onion.
Nice gravy for the chicken. What you mean, man? All them chicken there look so exposed. Put on the chicken leg.
Now, man, I'm walking in practice.
Open up in practice.
All the practice should take everything in eye.
You know, there's a certain etiquette when you do with chicken. You can't make the chicken just cock up so.
So that when I say one cock up.
You have to
Bring it, look at.
You have to turn it down, man.
Come look at me. Then portion you like, that's all.
On the wrong, man. And you must cut off the chicken leg and don't expose the chicken like that. You like the knife, huh?
Yeah, man.
You have a sharpen it though, man.
Yeah, man.
But look how they make you go back and cook. Boy, them trickery, you know.
Yeah.
They make you back and cook and thing.
Yeah.
Them a can artist, man.
Yeah, man.
They make the chef always at work.
Always.
Always. Chef.
Good, the chef's supposed to always a cook.
Cook.
Okay.
Him get better all the time and more practice for him.
Chef must always be cooking. Chef. Your name? Chef. Yeah, man. Go and do your thing then. We don't feel case.
I'll pick me up your big chicken.
Yeah.
You see, fella?
cut another coke and put some rum in it. Drink it and put some rum in it. Let me go cut it. You film me. Hold it. Watch yourself, you countryman. Watch yourself. Let me right shoulder there. Cut in that place.
See machete now. See machete.
Give me all this machete to slow trampoline.
Where machete?
See there.
Jerk it.
See that's all.
I don't like. You be so strong. Give me all this one.
We have a whole bunch. I want to look at that right now.
The whole no man, no so dirty. Easy no boss. I'm a taxi where I drive, you know. A coaster where I drive.
Watch your endings, watch him and go coconut. Watch him.
Look there. You never know about that boss.
Watch him.
If the people that sleep in the yard, they're rip off the coconut, they cannot chop coconut one time.
Coconut fight into the right.
Sure, coconut in your country.
Go out and do a chop coconut, Mr.
Yes, sir. It's about test me. What you said? Around the dad.
Yeah, man. See one day chop jelly. Watch him. Watch him chop jelly.
Mr. Boy.
We are chop the tail up around there. Jelly for chopping up.
Look there. Don't you know?
Me see it. Angry business. No, you pour that door. You pour that door.
Go quick.
You pour that, man. That pour one day. You pour the coconut, my lord. And that, I want that too.
We drink half. Give the other half. Then we try the rum in. Yes, to blows.
When you drop there now.
Yes.
Show me some ice like that. Hey, what me there? I'm trying to get the man. Yeah, Jesus, I'm going on, man.
Jamaica Good Life, we say. Every time you shake it, you turn it around, you take your left hand and you turn it around. If you have a girl, you just turn it around.
I say, chum. I say, if you have a girl,
Turn it around.
just turn it around.
Yeah, man. Hey,
Let me show you something.
woman love when you cut coconut and throw it on them back when you have them a deal with
Let me
them.
show you something.
I'ma show you something.
If I turn it around like the one there.
Wash it off. You ever do the woman and she say wash it off? Coconut yourself. How would that? Turn it around! Look for you with a big weed in your mouth. But it's a herbalist kitchen.
Some of you, now you're going to be chef in the pot or something. And you can question that, make sure answer.
Pookie, where are you? Oh, yeah, cook the thing.
Rice and peas.
Mm-hmm.
Some people use sugar, but you don't have to use it.
Yeah. Want to do it, you know.
Now make him take your style and start what I'm invented, you know.
Slap
him like
head. Me not about the same one. Someone you come out of your
Slap him in the head and say, pattern it, boy! Then him run out the road talk about say, yeah man, I'm my style this. You have to give her credit, man. A Pookie show you.
Yeah, man.
Listen to the elder. You see how she come?
Let me show you something. The first something a chef work, don't want to give you everything. You look and you learn.
Look on Pookie. Pookie cut up the garlic in his hand. Pookie make about 17,000 slices in 2 seconds. Pookie's on the run and Pookie's on the furlong and there's Pookie on the Pookie is running with 3 legs right now. Pookie's taking the lead and Pookie's cutting up the garlic like that. Pookie! Straight to the pot.
One day I say you're mad. I don't mean so wild.
Hey, how fast? And the fastest somebody never see people cut up garlic, you know.
I pressure cook a head here. They can't make it stay same. They can't make it stay. No man, they can't put it on same.
No make him talk too much now. No make him talk too much in your kitchen right now. Cause you see, just because you touch the pot cover, I'm gonna say, I ain't cook it. I ain't tell you what to do. Pookie's in the fridge right now. We're watching Pookie very well because she's doing that. And there goes Pookie. Famous Chef Pookie. International Pookie. Yes, we're watching her closely. This is a giant among giants. She's a superstar. This boy's in her way, and she worked right around him.
She win the race.
Pookie win every day. Let's see how she's gonna deal with the chicken skin. See what Pookie doing with the chicken skin, everybody?
Yeah, the skin of chicken.
What's she doing?
No, you have to clean the skin.
Oh, Pookie's cleaning the chicken skin.
Squeeze out them like a bum.
Oh no, that's his detail.
Yeah, man.
I'm not having chicken for anybody.
Not true.
Go on nice skin. I know the clean, you see?
Yeah, see what I do that now? The skin can't defend it.
One more to bring them boy.
That's what me tell you.
And Pookie threw one out the kitchen.
Can't throw Rasta man. Oh, this is a it. No, season pepper.
What time Nada come?
3 o'clock I shift. 3 o'clock I shift.
3 o'clock and we all left for Bar Beach like 4 o'clock. So we can have time for eat.
What time now?
I'm not sure.
Between 3 and 12. Let me tell you exact what it is between 3 and 12. 1:24.
You tell me move.
No, we're just move.
And Pookie now has taken over the kitchen by herself. The expert works alone. Nobody thieving her ideas. All right, Pookie, call us when you want to.
Let's see it.
So what's going on, dirty good life Jamaican people, Jamaican people?
They are sweating up.
Yeah, sweat. You don't do no work today. A Pookie I do all the work.
Coconut trash for me. Coconut trash.
Ah, big guy. Why am I easy? Why can't you love the company?
Right on. I cough this man. You know I can't sleep.
I like what you do.
Thank you, B. Thank you. Dirty stink.
Now you pick up me now, man.
And them get one hard, you know.
You want to try me see no sleep on there?
About the time.
Oi! You want to try me see no sleep on there?
I know that you do.
What for do? What for do? Tell me what for do.
Aye. You don't be done right now, sir.
Tell me what for do now.
I'm going to be here.
Be careful, man.
All right. Well, go on with it now, Pookie. Boy, you really clean the chicken good.
Man, if you clean up, we'll the container little.
Yeah.
No, there.
So you put lemon on it too.
No, you're not cleaning them. There's something. Don't
Some people clean it with vinegar too, you know.
Yeah, we don't use it, make it coarse. When you eat it coarse.
Mm-hmm.
So we're not gonna use it. Good. Wait to fight them it nice.
So tell the people how far and where to do what you...
Yeah. You season it up and you take it out. If you don't tell me, make you one big pot.
That man.
But the chef did know, but the chef not say nothing.
Aye. And everybody else don't know nothing. That's how you go. Aye. Me know.
One pot.
Nobody else don't know nothing. Everybody else just pay ahead.
What am I talking about?
We hear panic.
One
What am I talking about?
Eh?
You should have said bring a
Say-
big pot
yeah.
from Pookie house.
Well, I don't know.
what
Everybody
else?
else. Jerky. Everybody else
Pot
have
and
paid.
can drive go for the pot.
Nah, man, it's dead now, you know.
You see, everybody have head. I just hear the panic.
And not we must lick in her head, kind of nothing for cooking now.
So now, no season.
No season, no true. Hold on.
Come on, you chicken sit down there.
Alright.
That's all.
That's it, man.
The clock can carry this thing hard.
Alright. This is a chicken.
I'm garlic powder.
You know what no vinegar?
No, me do if you do it.
I'm garlic powder.
And no fish may come in.
Alright.
If you want meat, you don't use much.
Oh, so one chicken season at you know.
No fish.
One fish. So you want to go buy a chicken season?
You know you.
Okay, no, but then this is chicken when it's covered.
The one they good enough?
So we can't find nothing big, are you sure? We have to go use a bath pan out of the bathroom, you know. You know, I saw them.
Put 5 people over it and put it on the fire.
I saw them do a Manchester, you know. You know, a big pot. No, bring the bath pan, come and season the chicken.
They can use 2 pots, you know, so I next to one, you know.
Well, this is fried chicken. That's right. That minute, don't cover feet.
Yeah, man. Cover the chicken and everything. Yeah, man. Sit down. So I know say you're a chef, you know. Chicken have to cover. Listen keenly. And a high fire cook chicken. A heat.
Because when you cover it and I fry it, it's still cooking.
The steam and have this
Soft, tenderness.
You know what?
The chicken is without love, you know.
Cause you learn. So me don't talk to you. You head have on here, but you have the cover in mind. You know how I hear alone.
Go, Pookie.
Go. I don't hear, you know. I don't hear you head, man.
So instead of you put on the garlic and the pepper on the chicken, you burn in the oil.
You put you burn the garlic and the pepper in the oil. I know them style there now. Hey, one day I come and cook some ginger chicken for you now.
Put on the pot now for you, if you go on hot.
Yes.
Hey, Pookie, I cook chicken for you, bite off your finger, you know. And you see,
Instead you have to want to try Pepsi chicken one idea.
Pepsi chicken.
I want to fry chicken and use the Pepsi cookie down.
Okay. We could use some of that guava jam and make the sauce, you know.
I don't know about food. I know about the old time style.
Guava, yeah. Yeah, man. You see, me they have something there. You see, me they have some Alright. Ketchup.
you good?
Who him?
Me? Yeah, it's good, man.
Alright, man.
Now, I'm sorry, I'm going to be in Africa and sleeping, you know.
Hmm?
This time I
You work tonight?
Yes, man.
But you know, you don't sleep all day. Lord, man, don't kill yourself, you know. Go take a nap and then come back with the
I
food.
saw the body stay, man. The body program.
But what time now?
The body program, man.
Go take a nap.
Hold on.
Dirty people, listen. Go tell him. Go tell him. Take a nap, then come back with the food done.
Listen now.
Hold on.
Go take a nap. Go take a nap.
The body program, man. If you catch 2 o'clock, we can't talk about sleep. That's what I say.
So you will just knock
2
out.
o'clock, it's really like a Sunday, so.
You can't wake up.
No, man, I wake up, man. It's me stay, so.
You can't sleep.
Half hour straight now, half hour straight, me drop asleep. Good sleep. I'm going to wake up back after. I'm good at it. But the body program,
What time now?
After 1.
Oh, 2 o'clock you go sleep.
Yeah, 2 o'clock, so I'm going to sleep.
Oh, okay.
You see how many juice? Juice of everything. You just before you start sleep.
My work can sing one time, sir. 2 and a half, 4 and I'm 1 and 1 single one. So 2 and a half can sing one time. Alright, Nick. Look on the size of the she look like a 1 smaddy. No, so she look like a 1 3. 2 and a half, and 1 and a half. And me a 1.
What I'm in there do? Hold on, I have to check them, you know, because they will cut up the thing wrong, you know, I have to make sure I get them right. But no season not on that. What do you mean, man?
You feel yourself?
You free yourself? Just have it to work. Okay, it's good, yeah? I'm not going to say a spaceship will not fly, I negotiate.
It's good one.
Put some Soursop in it. A Manchester secret that man. I shouldn't tell on Hanover no come from. You really have to come with it?
Oh, mate, we love touring, you know.
Eh?
Once in a week, not on
You sure you come? You have to take
not
off
on weekend.
early, you know, 5 in the morning. We jump out. In the wagon.
Wash out this in
Pookie, you never said take a draw, Randy. You damn selfish, dirty people, Lord God.
Dirty people.
Me tell you something smelling real good, you know. Something smelling real nice when you smoke the kind of weed now.
I get ganja that till I get my weed really jump up people. I'll send you one different time.
Where you get this?
I just buy a mix with beer.
One bun black pepper, man.
You see black pepper and I see.
We say bun black pepper boy. Bun black pepper boy.
Chef.
Oh, say that. Another minute, ask them if they
Bun black pepper, stop up man system.
Them they sitting in one year. Then they send me to buy me, I have to find my spot. I have to find my spot to be. Get a shop, they don't go there. Girls and you can't cook.
You know, so you're the real Jamaican, no man. Your mother authentic, your family authentic, you know. Them never win no awards, like, what them good for? What them growing up? What?
They growing a chop cane.
Them chop cane?
Yeah.
Go on farm work?
No, country, fruit, estate. That's why I go part no estate.
You're the real Jamaican, you know. For your blood no mix with no white man, you know. You're pure, you know.
White man blood, you know.
I know, choppy.
For me, man, name bad.
I rape them, man. Your mother not for bad.
I used to rape them and
Rape them.
off.
Yeah.
And then go work for the Bucky man, so them body big round the background, like some breast him up so. That's black and shiny, nice.
Look on Trusty.
Oh my God.
Trusty have the whole two of them, you know. Trusty two of them very mature, you know. Them at two, yeah, you need machine to cut them. Oh Lord, man, them at two, yeah. Them have a history. Them at two, you have all. Them at two, you have independence.
Well done. You know, say I go to you in a whole day and then make your two plates up. I say that's what they ugly.
No, I'm not true. Don't tell him I say too ugly. You're gonna hurt him feelings.
Listen, I sand do for me put.
You're gonna hurt him feelings. Let me see where you're going. Not God, Pookie, no, no.
This sand do me to them.
Don't show them to the world.
Stay like you.
I will walk to your
I
house.
seen me come and nigga me to see
As
so.
much pig you fry, you have to look like Quickfoot. No, Pookie, put on back your socks. Don't ever take off your socks again. You got the pork spirit in you. Don't put them, no. I wouldn't lie to you. Wouldn't lie to you. I love you too much. Would I never, don't go to a road in and look slippers. Keep your socks on. That's what when you touch God pork, you know, your foot them start look like pig. No, look on my toe. You see, me no find no pork. So me toe them alright. You know, I find no pork. And when you sleep at night, your toe them start morph, look like pig foot. Right in. No man. Hey, something smelling real good, you know. I love all that smell, you know. I wish the world could have smelled that. See, they come and taste it for me. Go in that light. Bring that video to your light. Something smelling real. It's a Nick the chef, you know. A good life, you know. See there. Yes, Nick. You're a boss, you know. You're a bar. You're a boss, my lad.
Nice. Nice, Nick.
But it smells good, you know. Mr.
Nice, Nick.
Are the real house this, you know? Something smelling real. Something smelling real nice. When you put it in the chicken. And you put it in the rice.
You know, mums.
You make me feel like me and yam pasta.
You like it, huh?
Yes. No man, you see me up here, yeah. You see anyone what we make. So when you buy back, it goes to profit share.
Yeah, man.
We don't deal with people, so
You have to deal with people good now.
what me say me do? You see when we make the money, we buy back the goods, you see, weekend, anything we have.
Talk to me, not I'm ready to spend some money.
Listen, brother, what me say? You see when we put out the money and cook the food,
Yeah, man.
you see when we see money we have left after we buy back Saturday,
Yeah.
that the profit day after me and you. You know, 20,000 like say me they go beer and Margaret.
Yeah.
Me not know that. You deal with people, you deal with people good. Same cut when we get and the same cut you do.
Because if you want to keep your toe them pretty,
Thank
deal
you.
with people good.
Thank you.
I see you speaking.
Bad dealings create ugly toe.
I soon feel that. I wash your rice for you now. Yeah.
Hey, him never walk. Hey,
Right straight time.
him never walk so hard since we there, since you come now. You motivate him now.
Yeah, man.
Right, trusty.
Yeah, sure.
You motivate him now.
You make me feel like me don't look at
Kick in your face.
Yeah, 1 second, long time. We get 1 second. Nick have to build up in family. Nick move my son-in-law.
Nick.
Yo.
Ah, you wanna hear there?
Nick move my son-in-law.
I bust upon my friend.
What you say?
And a 2 chef again. So you
Yeah.
know.
I bust upon my friend Kitty. Am I girl now?
I'm good and married already. Nick married already.
Awesome.
Oh.
Yeah, we got 2 in your toilet because we like them.
Yeah. You get half a boy. Kitty and I are a good girl.
2 of them can cook.
And this one now. Now that's one. Two of them are my friends. Everybody miss me on your accounts then.
And 2 of them they run a restaurant. I mean,
You understand?
we still go around.
Everybody miss me
Me
on
there
your
restaurant doing before because I'm chicken. And them then they then liquor. Ray. I'll tell Kitty some of the open the restaurant. Find one chef him and Nick take time put in his words.
Well, you know, so you're powerful, you speak to the spirit, you know. You set up the future, you know, you be careful, you know. Because you are programmed, you know. When you program the thing, you know, it lock, you know. Because your spirit's strong, you know, mother. You know, because once you put it on them, it lock, you know. Because you see when I do down and I see him then right near to me. I see the spirit at work, I say, when Nick's so close to the woman for something there, you saw. I see it, man. The dirty boy Nick, me see my moving, you know. Me say look for the little dirty fish too now. I show him muscle. 1 minute him flex him hand. Me say, what you little friend boy? Yeah man.
You can't jiggle look at your white man.
No man. No, white man.
You put butter in there?
Yeah, I put it in there now.
Put in butter, make it
But you know, Pookie teach a real thing, you know. So when them come around with her sister and brother,
yeah, your sister and brother.
money first.
Yeah, I'm on the way look away there when you go and spend it. I'm going to think you make no black man.
Money first, feelings later.
No black man, no black people don't come near call him out that you want him out with your man. Because they chat too much.
Yeah man, straight up. Watch your hand.
And them bad mind.
Watch your hand.
Look on the 2 chef them now.
Is this alright?
Oh my God.
What is song? Sing the song.
Come taste it, come.
Sing the song first. Sing the song first.
Come taste it.
Real good.
No, something smelling real good.
Something real nice.
Something smelling real nice.
1 week. Yeah, cut it down.
You don't taste with spoon, you taste with your hand.
Yeah man. It up. It up, nice. Jamaica, when I'm missing it, you know. When I'm missing it, Jamaica Good Life. Thanks for watching this film. See Pookie there.
Make it butter.
It's gonna be a chef family. The baby might come out with carrot and scrape it.
You hear him? You hear him?
Hey man, I set up the future, man. We lock the future in. We lock the future
Give me
in.
rice. Me don't want no sauce. No sauce.
We lock the future.
No, seriously, no look rest on the truth. I want to run me out. 2 cylinders me out me out. No, me don't look at rest.
Fast in run stop. Yeah, fast in run.
Check out the shop.
But Python knows make you cook them there. I never tell you.
Shut up, chef, you know, proper there,
I say, as I'm cooking in one fry, don't bring that pot Python want to your shield.
Listen, check out the shop. You know what they say.
Yeah man,
Where we joking around on the gate. I'll sell the food.
When you get to the start, do you know?
yeah.
Video food.
Hello, me.
Sell the food and do order.
Hello, me.
Don't to order.
When you get to the start,
People want fish. Don't to order.
Yeah man.
fish food done to order.
You are going to want to hear
You understand? You can fry couple fish first, you fry a couple pieces of chicken.
Yeah, but we know it's in set, man.
And we have one shop
Not
for
too much.
orange, but you know fast.
Oh.
What?
One orange when sister bill. I'm going to have my money in there.
So where should we go?
Sit down with man use it.
So where should we go now?
15 subjects in that.
Where should we?
Sit down with the stress out the blood clot.
Not true.
No way, you have something in there.
Not true, man.
From me corner, me gone.
Disappear.
From them for this, me
How
gone.
much do you have now?
6 me up, 1 man.
But yeah, the chang is Jamaica never bad.
Stick when me get a hole already from my one when you drop down.
Ah, 6 and 9?
And then I say they ain't shoot one.
So when do you get into your softer side?
Right?
Like, just, hey honey, I just feel a little cold right now. Can you hug me?
No, we don't go to Jamaican don't do that. Jamaican jump up. And that's it.
I know me must say me I just go maybe. This is my set now.
Jamaican, the white people doing this. The white people, I'm fine. Me and you are
Yes, I give thanks and blessings to the Most High chicken, goddamn. Yes, sir, the chicken and the pasta, take it out of the frying pan. Yes, sir.
To make some sauce, you know, or something.
Rasta pasta. You look like you love your knife and your meat board, man.
Yeah, man. Mine, no.
Yo, Nick,
Yo.
right come to work, but it's
Yeah, man. As me tell you, you know, me there want business already, you know. Me there want business already, you know. Not true me look young.
you like your style.
Me there want business already, me see
You
those
like
things.
it with style in their hand. Don't go style in their brain, style feel in their hand too. Cause sometimes brain feel in their hand and feel in my mind. How you don't survive? You know in your brain, so what the rat to get out do?
Yeah.
So the amount of garbage man. You would have style in your hand too man, don't go your brain no. Yes, you're that in there. We're married, the man. Like 2 of them are come bitch now.
Big business, you know.
Yes, man.
I talk about empire, you
Them,
know.
I want to carry them, they're going to make me drive it soon.
And when you get older, you just sit down with your nice dress, and the money just are coming, you just count it for them.
Oh, God.
Keep them in line.
Eh? Next time you come, you'll run out of like tenant, them out of hand over up the vinegar, go live. What? What you say? Oh, you put in like this in pot side like so. Can I want to sleep, so we watch it back. Wait, I will put it in. I know me.
Look on that part. Look on that part, you put the fat in.
Oh! This empire in a... No mix up with a like. Bad! Bad! I wicked this thing, may I tell you? You just feel the energy, man.
Yeah, we manipulate the spirit in them. Sing the song. Something smelling real good. Something smelling real nice. Hey, man.
Well, keep side chicken on a kind of bag, make it bast, you see.
Yes, sir.
I think it's chef, then in night time, we want to open a restaurant.
But I get this space out.
Yo, open our one place where someone we get the coconut and we bust them and grate them and juice them and put them on the fridge. On the freezer. See that we ready? We don't have that to do juice or anything, just put in a bag and time up. Like ice. Anytime ready for me, just throw me in the pot and make it in 1 hour. And hot pot.
I easy myself. It's not freezer.
Rice done in, brother.
Yeah, man. We get that one little store.
Yes, sorry, already.
Just a little bit. Just to know the stuff
See her there? Killer that, you know. It's a Jamaican dragon, you know. Them the woman they will murder you.
Murder your holla.
And take pay for your money.
Open the restaurant, give you that better thing.
When now becomes
Make the share. Everything locked in our account or in a bank account. And I'm going to a big bank, we're going to a little one and they enjoy less interest. Here's the pattern. One hand can clap.
No, one wing can't fly.
And one wing can fly.
one wing can't flap.
I don't know say you can't build up on the coming up here, but like and we live like one. You know, long me they look hell boy, what do you?
Hold it.
You can tell me say that the idiot man on my head gone like a bullet. And me say what's going on?
What about the food now?
And that. Pure butter chicken or deal.
Oh yeah, use my jam.
Yeah, man, use some of your jam.
Yeah, use jam in the thing. Yeah.
Now, done it though.
You don't have to pass it on.
Why is such a class?
Eh?
You don't see them paper?
Who? The man there.
Eh.
My father.
I'm fine.
You see God send him come right at him.
I do man paper so.
That's what I tell them, say, trust it. When me see him, I say, alright, him running out of the family.
Man.
A maroon head, you know, a hog head. Eh? A maroon, so yeah. Yeah.
Both man.
See how him use them cock out and the head big? When I'm coming out. Yeah.
You know, so I could have take my house to a restaurant.
Take it easy with the business for a second. Relax one day, you know.
Business we sell, man.
A Sunday, you know.
Look away.
A Sunday. A Jesus Sunday now, you know.
Man, when you go see early dog. Early bed before sun come up.
So we're going to drive go river now.
Now, my man saying they go and work in can't take a day.
I can't tell you what to do.
I can't take a day.
I can't. No, we schedule setting up here. Like we're going to tap.
You don't want no security.
Right. What?
Well, if you're not work, you can't call a man and say ropes.
Two Sunday bars, and guys. Two of them are going to.
Turn on the fire a little bit lower on your rice.
Tomato paste, yeah.
Ketchup. Not the paste. Ketchup itself. Dumpy there.
So, I'm going to squeeze the sweets out.
Yeah, man. Soursop my body now. I'm not sure though.
Oh, you see her work with the chicken. Yeah.
Turn over the
Yeah. Some can't come and see them.
And then they are soak, you know. They soak on the first half. Yeah, man. Pretty. See garlic powder? See garlic powder? A miracle.
You see milk? I first me using it.
Yeah, man, you use like a chicken. Yeah, man.
So,
One
one for each one.
What do you call it, father?
At first you use the coconut milk for the chicken.
No, coconut milk.
Coarse milk.
Cow milk, man. They mix it with the egg.
Yeah, what I first me
Yes.
see. Oh my God, this is
Them ready, man.
You can say it's when they use it.
a piece of that.
The one of them ready now.
They can give me good time.
Them ready, man. Put in one next set.
One more container.
This is a pressing up. See, this is a pressing up. So you have to fry it too long, you know. Can you get it fry too long, you know, get chewy.
Without something inside here. But you have to get them more.
Yeah, man.
You know, like eat, so we don't drain this, flip up the chicken when they fry.
Yeah. I'm gonna fry some plant on the side too.
You want everything. What I mix
What
up
me say?
what
Something
you
smelling
got
real
over there,
good.
everything.
Something smelling real nice. You take me today. As someone said to the girl, let me know.
When we go and meet, I go pick up the chicken and come back. I sell chicken on there and 25 powder pork. You know what this time Mrs. Opalt and call me. Hear me? That moment I remember nothing, even text me from yesterday, but me I remember. You say me right, things I go to me chewing them, I disappoint my friend tonight.
Not true.
And a long time I don't hang out with some real people. Me like different
I didn't care, you know. Don't
like
say no.
me like different type
No,
of
me didn't care. You know when you have the python?
Me like, yeah, me like go hang out.
Realness.
Hang out against different people.
Realness.
See what I up to, see environment and everything.
Yeah. She is high like a sky.
Yeah. Which one?
You know how yet?
No, baby, man. I'm going to go up a beach and I'm just sit down saying I'm supposed to panty and my brazier and my blow.
I say you're gonna do it.
And just sit down saying
I'll catch you in a slow motion, you know.
And the bun weed and they just
I'll catch you
imagine you see.
I'll catch you in a slow motion.
Yeah,
You know.
man, like
I run in your panty and your
I
brazier.
judge me not on it.
No, eh?
Man, Saga, I'm going to tell you about it. Right now, I know the Prime Minister don't know, you know. Right now, man. Prime Minister don't know. You can't see, you can't get to you. I'm busy. I'm going to get a man can't turn a Prime Minister. How is all part-time? Man, we grow in a house and lock up and go to college. Can't come turn Prime Minister because you don't know about the street. You have to know about the street. Brain alone can't help. You have to know the street, walking, coming in your short pants and your sneakers. And walk dirty to on the road, make people then see and you're taking them. All in a bun video, you buy one beer and sit down and drink around them. And take them in. How are you?
I can ask the chef, sir. I didn't come down there. You can be meeting and shop.
Yes, my baby.
When you see fish, straight lines.
When you say one pack, me want to run them if you fry some chicken.
And pay a picture in that.
The pack them round a little.
That time Ghana never legalized it.
The pack them round a little, then can't go.
So, you went there, I take a picture, you have
You
no
say
weed
you
and
know
you take a
more
picture.
so. You die at the
You
drink.
take a picture and you don't know what type of strike. And some police going up and
Anyway,
show you.
I'm going to play it when they come in here. 3 hours.
Yeah, nada.
Yeah, follow up on it.
Nada, Sean.
Take them out, man.
No, man, that's chicken right now.
The rice.
You're right.
You better man looking at the sauce now.
Remember say we did turn down. So me want to know if the amount
Like the custard. So you go sample the rice first.
No, what we could handle is just the water. What is it we could handle?
Yeah, more coconut milk.
No. Get me have a mix, just the pack one.
Get a big spoon now.
Taste it first. How far the grain there?
I think you can steam now, you know.
Yeah.
It's a bag of white or something, you know.
So the one of the ingredients I don't know. You pack it over.
Okay. You know, say you know no back door, you can just make it steam, man. And
Just turn on the stove. Can still take little water because enough mouth. So you make the rice swell.
okay.
You don't store them in rice. You do it like homemade wheat.
Oh, okay.
Up in the middle.
Yeah, man, do you think I watch me watching?
Chicken ready, you know.
Yeah, man, chicken, I watch it start.
We must eat it with something, you know.
Rice still tastes like you can take a little bit more salt.
Oh.
Not too much. I will put some salt.